Inna a'tainaka alkawthar. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
There was one joke that I wanted to share with you on anger. And I thought it was very hilarious. So I said, many times people do not relate scholars of Islam with jokes. But I think our generation, Shaykh, it's important. You see, there was a man. This is showing you the irritation of lies and falsehood. The irritation of lies and falsehood. There was a man sitting on a train. Now the train was a double-decker train, a sleeper train. So he's at the top and 3 ladies walked in. Old ladies. They walked in and they sat. So he's at the top and they're down there. And he's hearing the discussion, sitting. They're asking each other questions. And suddenly one says, "How old are you?" Now she looked 65. She says, "I'm 30. And this man was so irritated, so irritated, so irritated. So now the other 2 knew that this was sarcasm. She was being silly. They were also very old, probably a little bit younger than her. So she says, "And how old are you?" Now, instead of saying I'm 55, she says, "Well, I'm 25. So she says, "Oh," and this man is now even more irritated. And so they asked the youngest one, "And what about you?" She says, "I'm 15. That was it. The man drops down. When he dropped down, they said, "Hey, what's happening?" He says, "I'm just born." Allahu Akbar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us goodness.